Today I'll be showing you 4 amazing science experiments using simple household items. Let's get started! For our first experiment, I place a tissue paper on a plate and pour a little water over it. Then I carefully place a candle on the tissue and light it. Now comes the interesting part. I slowly cover the burning candle with a glass and wait. At first everything looks normal. The candle continues burning as it uses the oxygen trapped inside the glass. Slowly, the flame becomes smaller and weaker until it finally goes out. But that's not the end. Watch carefully. The plate suddenly sticks tightly to the glass. It almost looks like magic, but it's actually a simple science experiment. Here's the science behind it. As the candle burns, it uses up the oxygen inside the glass, causing the pressure inside the glass to drop. The air pressure outside the glass is now greater, so it pushes the plate tightly against the glass, creating a strong seal. That's why the plate lifts together with the glass. Now let's move on to our second experiment. For this experiment, I take 3 candles and cut them into 3 different heights: tall, medium, and short. After placing them side by side, I light all 3 candles and carefully cover them with a glass. After a short time, the tallest candle goes out first, followed by the medium candle, and finally the shortest one. Even though they were all lit at the same time, they don't go out together. The candles use the oxygen trapped inside the glass, while the hot air rises upward. The medium candle goes out next. Since the tallest candle is closest to the top, it runs out of oxygen first, while the shortest candle still has access to the remaining oxygen near the bottom, allowing it to burn a little longer. This experiment also teaches us an important safety lesson. During a fire, smoke and hot gases rise toward the ceiling. That's why it's always safer to stay low or crawl while escaping from a fire. Now for the third experiment, I take a potato and a plastic straw. When I try pushing the straw into the potato, it bends easily. But after covering the top of the straw with my thumb, it goes straight through the potato. The trapped air inside the straw prevents it from collapsing, making it strong enough to pierce the potato. Finally, for our last experiment, I take an empty soft drink can and try balancing it, but it keeps falling over. After adding a small amount of water, the can balances perfectly at an angle. This happens because the water lowers the can's center of gravity, making it much more stable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to RR Techs. See you in the next video.